you want to use Twitter through your Viigo application on your BlackBerry, you have to get an invite to the testing version of Viigo. The public release version of Viigo does not have Twitter on it yet because it's still being tested to work out the bugs. But you can get an invite from me or one of the Viigo guys on Twitter. So let's assume that you've already got your invite, you've installed Viigo, and now you want to set up Twitter. So we're going to go open Viigo. If you start up here, you'll just scroll down to social networks. And we're going to add a channel. And we're going to add a Twitter channel. Add an account. You can add more than one account. This has one of my accounts in here by default. So you would put your Twitter name and then your Twitter password and then select the channels you want to add. The public timeline is everyone on Twitter. Favorites is your favorites, your friends, your followers, people replying to you, and direct messages. For right now, we're just going to add replies. So this will go faster. Click on next. It's going to validate and then add that channel for you. Okay, when you see success, you just click finish. And that's all there is to it. It's really that easy. If you want to add another account, you would just go through the steps again. I don't think there's a limit on the number of accounts you can add. So now we'll back up and I'll show you how to use it. Okay, so now we see our Twitter account here. Wait for it to finish updating. Okay, click on it. Now from this screen, this is where you would see all your channels. If you had done the followers and direct messages, they would all be listed right here. You can't tweet from this page. You can open a channel, update a channel, remove a channel, or look at your options. If you want to tweet, you have to go and actually open one of the channels. It doesn't matter which of them. Of all the channels you add, from inside any of them you can tweet. And you can tweet to any account. You don't have to go back and switch between accounts at some other stage in the setup. So hit your BlackBerry key right here and you get your menu to tweet, direct message, reply, retweet, favorite, follow, update the channel. You can click on an actual tweet and see additional options in the menu, open in a browser, send the article, and again tweet, direct message, reply. So we'll say we're going to tweet from here. So right here, if you have more than one Twitter account and you say, well, this is not the account I want to tweet from, click your BlackBerry key, change account, and it'll let you back this out and put a different username and password in there. You have to have added it already to Viigo, but that's the only thing you have to do to switch between. Then you would type your message and click post. And that's all there is to it. Pretty simple. Again, if you want to use the Twitter function through Viigo, you have to be invited to the testing version from someone like myself or one of the Viigo guys on Twitter.